May 26th. It's the first day of weaning. That makes litter. That's Toby. And he's adopted. And that one right there, that's Benji. He's up for adoption. He's the only one left in this litter to be adopted. And right here, I think that is, I have to see the collar. Yep. Yeah, it's Micah. And over there asleep is Achilles, adopted, as is Micah. The cream one there with no collar, that's Elfo. And this one right here is Link, aka Kato, but now Link. And there is Benji. Look, he's eating. He's the only one up for adoption. Who wants to adopt Benji? They're doing pretty good for their first day. See, we put the mom in here with them now every 2 hours.
Oh.
That's why they're sleeping. They just ate. Listen to Toby. 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 He doesn't know his name yet. Toby. Over here. Hey, Toby.
Toby.
Oh, look at Benji. Benji's eating. Yeah. He's doing a good job. And he's the only one I adopted from this litter. He's already eating now. He's getting ready for his new family calls.